Are you a manufacturing company who utilizes channel sales? Then you know it can be difficult to facilitate timely quoting, compliance, and channel management. The CPQ for Manufacturing Bolt from Simplus empowers your channel sales environment with self-service capabilities through Salesforce CPQ and Community Cloud. Accelerate sales, increase margin, and reduce quoting time from days and weeks to the speed of business with the Simplus Manufacturing Bolt. Once logged in, actionable insights provide partners and resellers the ability to see their key metrics, promotions or news, their partner status, and access quick actions for common tasks, all from a single command center view. We've greatly simplified the quoting journey. With our custom Quote Wizard Lightning component, a partner is guided through the entire quoting process from opportunity through order. Leveraging the power of Salesforce CPQ, the channel is able to create and manage quotes, configure complex products and product bundles, and gather nested bills of materials, providing customers high-quality, accurate quotes the first time. Automations ensure a seamless user experience. Statuses are updated automatically, and partner-tiered discounting is applied by the system, allowing your channel to focus on their business. With integration to ERP, orders can be automatically generated and sent for fulfillment. Your channel can monitor the status of orders, giving them valuable feedback and insight. Managing warranties, install base, and renewals is easy while viewing accounts. This allows your channel to offer proactive maintenance, stay on top of renewals, and identify potential new opportunities. For your company, the custom lighting template allows for a drag-and-drop experience. Images, colors, fonts, and components are all customizable, ensuring the portal matches your corporate branding. Empower your channel with a frictionless experience, reduced quoting time, and increased sales. The CPQ for Manufacturing Bolt, available only from Simplus.